All right, Satira. So what we're gonna do today is make a coffee table box because storage is an issue, right?
A little bit.
I'm gonna give you your box.
All right.
And let's put on our gloves here because we're gonna start painting.
Okay, thank you.
So one of the reasons I love these boxes is because they are so inexpensive. You can get them at any craft store. They're so versatile.
I'm really digging these colors.
All right, great. Just about done. Let's let this dry and then we'll go to the next step.
All right.
So now we're gonna tape around the edges because we're gonna add a little razzle-dazzle to the top here. So now we're gonna use some spray adhesive to attach the stencil to the box. So I don't spray you
Okay.
or anyone else around. You're just gonna spray it pretty heavily and then adhere it to the box.
All right.
Looks great.
Yeah?
Now you're gonna pick up your craft glue. So you're just gonna like pile on a nice heavy line right at the top. So once you've got your layers and layers, I'm gonna use the squeegee tool here. So then we're gonna take it to the edge and just squeegee it on down like so. All right, so let's let this dry, and then we're gonna add an additional flair to it. Next, we're gonna add some glass beads.
That is her for sure.
Right? This looks incredible.
I think it looks great.
The last step is we're gonna make this a little sparkly. I'm gonna pour some of this metallic gold leaf. You love gold, I love gold. I'm gonna use the sponge, but you can also use the brush if you want a different technique as well. But the goal is to just really kind of have fun and just dot it on there. All right, let us see. What do you think?
I think these are groovy. Happy about this one.
Happy, boom.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.